Hi everybody! Today we're going to be making some Pizzelle frozen yogurt sandwiches. I made this recipe up. I'm making it up for the first time making these today. I found these Pizzelle cookies. They're pumpkin spice and 23 calories each. I love that they come pre-packaged like this, so we're only going to use one pack, and we're going to use 8 of these waffle cookies to make the sandwiches. Okay, first we're going to add 5 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. And next we're going to add approximately a half a cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of the caramel premier protein, then 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Next, I've added 1 box of instant pudding and pie filling, the vanilla flavor, and it's fat-free, sugar-free. And we're going to mix that up. And last of all, I'm going to fold in 2 ounces of the fat-free Cool Whip, which is about 1/4 of a container. So I'll just do that, and then I'm going to scoop out 1/4 of it. Okay, so here's the filling. Now that everything has been folded in, it's a little thick because we put less liquid than it calls for, but that's the way I wanted it because I wanted it to stay firm in the cookie while it was freezing. I went ahead and made an adjustment because of how much it made. I think I can actually make 5 of these sandwiches, and if I do that, then there'll only be 3 points each. So next, I'm just going to take some of the filling and spread it onto these little cookies. I'm going to freeze these guys for a few hours. You could put something decorative around the edges, but then it just adds points. Like you could crush up Oreos and just use the outside, not the inside. And if you just use 2 Oreos, I think it would probably only add it wouldn't even add a point to all of these because you're not using the insides of the Oreos. Or you can be creative, but I'm gonna leave them plain because I don't want the points. Okay, it's delicious. It gets a little bit hard on the center, a little bit harder than ice cream, but it's still very, very good. Good flavor.